Good afternoon, gentlemen. In my story, there are the three characters. Three of them are the children. My story goes like this. It is a backward area in one of the state, Bihar. So the three of them are from a village family. The three of them goes to the school. It is about a 3 kilometers from the distance. So they will go and they will succeed by learning and by educating there, and they will come back. Thanks.
Friends, I have seen in this picture three characters. They are named as Ravi, Rakesh and Ankush. They are friends. They are studying in the Sri Chaitanya Junior College in Hyderabad. They have Rakesh knows one field who were they have near the mangoes. He took the two friends to the mangoes. While they are eating the mangoes, the owner was came near them and punished them. Then the owner asked their numbers and they called to their fathers. Then their father came in the anger from the office. Then they took away from there. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. In the picture, I saw three people. The middle one was the male. His age was around 35 years, and to his left and to his right there were two females. Their age was around 21 years, and all of them, I think, were in a neutral mood. And in the picture, they were passing through a forest. And my story goes like this: that Ramesh is a very hard-working farmer. He earns money by working hard in the farm, and he has two daughters, that's Rani and Shelly. They are studying in a school. In the village where Ramesh lives, there are no facilities. So it is a very poor village. You can say that it's an underdeveloped village, and Rani and Shelly have to walk 5 kilometers to go to their school. And Ramesh always accompanies them to their school. So Ramesh always inspired his daughters to study very hard and become such officers. So his daughters were also very hardworking. They studied very hard and joined the Indian Administrative Services, and they worked for their villages and developed it. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. In the picture shown to us, I saw three characters. One of the age is 30 years, and two of the 10 to 12 years. My story hero is Deepak, and my story may go like this. Deepak is serving in a bank in a Kanpur. One day while he was on leave, he saw that two other children of his neighbor are not going to school properly, and they are missing the classes. He made his parents and took the initiative to send them to school properly. The parent tells that they have not proper money. Deepak took the initiative and gave him the 1,000 rupees, and also both with parents to the school teacher and showed all the things the children are going to school should be teach properly, and so that all things are going on very well. And Deepak also helped the parents to find some work so that the financial condition of the family can be grown up very well, and he also feels very good for that work. The children are going to school properly now. Thank you.
Good evening, gentlemen. In the picture, I saw three main characters. All are in positive mood, and their age group ranges between 35, 18, and 60 respectively. And the short action of my story is Sushil, along with his sons, they are going to watch birds. And my story goes on like this: on a warm, windy day, Sushil and his sons, Deepak and Dinesh, plan to go for bird watching. So on their way to bird watch in the urban bird watching zone, they saw an old man fainted on their way with the binoculars and all the equipment needed for bird watching. So what they have done is they have splashed water on his face, lifted him up. In the meantime, he called ambulance, and the two children were consoling the old man. He is crying rigorously, and the ambulance came. They lifted him. They sent him to hospital, and after a meantime, they continued watching birds. Sushil explained to his children about ecological preservation, watching birds, explain the number of species, and how to take care of elders as well. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. In the picture, I saw three characters. One of the age group is 25, and the other two are ranging from 8 to 12, and the mood is positive. So my story goes like this:
Amresh is a farmer who had to leave his schooling at a very early age to support his family as his father was not well. Amresh had two younger brothers, Sanjay and Ajay, and who are at the age of going to school. So Amresh wanted them to be successful and educated in life. So he struggled day and night and earned money and put it in the savings. And finally he was able to make them go to school, and he was proudly taking them to the school. Amresh was finally very happy and content by his achievement. Thank you.
Alright, gentlemen.
Let us assume that like what we have perceived from the picture is that like 3 persons are there.
Yes.
3 persons are there. And two at a younger age and one is of an elder age.
Yeah.
One of the 2 persons are carrying bags.
So the main character is our age, so let the center
Okay.
Let us
Yeah.
focus on
Our age is not any problem.
We will also make a story on education.
So gentlemen, we all agree to make a story on education. So what we have done is that education is the main story. Yes, especially I feel there are other things advantages to it. Also
Let them give experience because we can see a
farm field around, you can see mango trees, you can
Yeah.
see a wall, so it's a farm field.
So we can go with
We can all agree that it's a farmer.
Yes.
students.
a farmer
They were
just
having bags, so that's
we can make
Majority says that the father is a farmer who seeks a better education for the two children.
why should we government? No, why father? So let us make it to our age. It's not 24. Let us make it to our age. Why father? It can be brother because a father won't be of our age. So let us make it a
go along with them because I think because we
father and 2 sons.
So it's
Let's
shown
take it
as a
as-
field, as
See,
a
we can go by step by
farm
step.
field which is very.
let him speak first.
Let him
Let's go by
Step by step we can go.
It's-
See, there are 3 characters.
There is no sequential talking.
There's no
Yes.
sequence.
It's a farmer and there are 2 children who are very educated.
Yeah.
The children are daughter. I have to mention that the children are
Under
daughter.
him
They are
that
not
the children were
Okay,
getting
let me explain the names. Majority are going with the
genders
children
first.
only now.
Like what are the genders
Both
of
were
the
male. I
children?
feel both were
Both
male.
are male. Gentlemen, let's calm down the discussion. There are 3 characters we can go.
All 3 are male.
Let's move ahead near the mango trees.
So
It's firstly it's based on education.
Yes.
So farming scene, education. So what my story was that he's a farmer. He's working.
No,
really hard.
let him be taking her.
So let us say that the farmer wanted his children to be successful and educated. So he worked hard and he was taking them to the school.
But next I would prefer to give it
And as just number
27.
this is mentioned about the schemes, various schemes for the farmers. So let us make the schemes.
May not be good.
You know what I can do is,
Better education.
you know, most of the stories revolve around educating children and admonishing the children.
Yeah.
So what I would say is, we would form a consensus story about educating children, admonishing children, and bringing up.
Yes,
And it's based on the government schemes.
Exactly.
Yeah,
But also being a rural area, we can use the government schemes.
Yeah.
And being
can
a
we
farmer,
make it-
which we saw from his whatever.
Can
he
you make
was-
it so that his children should become a young farmer,
respectable
a young farmer,
Not young,
now
young father, so-
Sticking to the education for all policy of the government of India, he uses all the schemes which are
Yes.
available to him and Teach for India so that he can educate his children.
If we specify
Alright,
this scheme, will
gentlemen,
it
you know,
be
I all
better?
agree
If
with
we
you.
specify this
What I
scheme.
think is, if you give me an opportunity, I would be able to form a story about educating children using the government scheme because government has.
Okay, so till now,
What I can
we
say-
can
Let me So you all agree, you all, the main consensus, the main theme of the story should be
Yes.
educating children.
Education in rural area. Education in rural area.
One more thing also. As they are walking towards, means like they are walking towards school, right? That to the village. Like we can make a school at a distance of like 2 or 3 kilometers. In between his father was a farmer. Like there is farming story.
So let the name of the main character be Raj for the time
Raj
being.
is a very common name. I mean,
Ayush.
Yes,
Okay.
let's
Gentlemen, I think more than deciding the name, we should move ahead with the story now. So,
But we have decided the main of the theme of the
Yes,
story is
education.
education.
Right, last 1 minute. Please conclude and let us
Three people.
We have only 1 minute to make it. If you all give me time, we have only 1 minute to make it.
Education in rural area. A farmer,
Alright, gentlemen, we can
Yes,
use the government story. We have a minute only.
I'm summing it up. I'm summing up.
Conclusion.
Okay,
I think 27 you can go ahead with the story. We have time, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
We
So,
can go
let's give a
father and his two children.
in a rural area using government schemes
Yes.
to educate his
Let us give it a
children.
conclusion.
Yes.
And his father
We can come to the last conclusion.
Okay, so
Wait a
provide the same
And to
education.
the agriculture in that place. Alright.
Yes.
So education through government schemes and
he's
providing
going to long distance and providing for the same
towards the society, towards
Fine,
the
we are done.
Yes.
Would you like me to sum it up?
Yeah. Give a comment.
Chess number 20.
So, we have come up to the conclusion that there are three characters in this story, all three being male. One is the father, he's 36-year-old. There are two children, 14 and 16 respectively, or just children as such. It's a rural area, and we're focusing on educational background. So, the farmer is Sham, and he uses all the government schemes to come up with essentially finance his children's education, and the children in return provide development and give back to the farm itself. Thank you, sir.
Okay.